what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out 17 World. Official MV just dropped 9 hours ago from me filming this. 17. Guys, if you haven't already, twitch.tv/Jrekml, go check out my Twitch, follow and subscribe. I also have a new channel called Dre Day where I'll be uploading different type of content, more personal content, so if you're into that, link in the description. Also, if you want to submit an intro, check the description as well. Without further ado, let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. "17 World official MV, let's get it, let's go." Bow. Captions on, 4K, let's get it. Crisp. Ooh, what's happening? He's getting out the car. Where are we? Sir? We in a desert? Or we in a... This is a sandstorm. Oh my god. Welcome to World. Well, thank you. To blank world. Hey. Thank you. Me too. Oh my god, Muscle Man. I'm not, so I did like where? You gonna show me the world? Oh! Well, you gonna interview me? What? You interview people? I mean, I guess going on a date is like an interview kind of, but you shouldn't make it sound like that. I don't know. Ooh. Down to my darkest side. You know, are you sure you want to know my dark? Okay. Oh, we're going to process lab. Imagine you just. Oh, okay. I'll go through the window. Oh, he got. Is Vernon filming? I'm guessing. I mean, obviously it's our point of view. Dang. Why y'all controlling the water? You getting me wet? Like, whoa, pause. No, moving on. Oh, nice transition, actually. They're water bending. That's no transition. Who's driving the car, though? He is blinged out with that bedazzled shirt. All of them with the bedazzled. Okay, I guess they're all gonna have bedazzled. Ooh, it's a funky vibe. Hey, I see Hoshi. I see you. To be honest, Hoshi is like the fave. Hello there. Ooh. Oh, that was fire. Let's go, Woozy. Get that center. Sure. I mean, ooh, and we growing with it, I believe that. Hey. Ooh, it's so smooth, it. Welcome to New World. This man right here. Ooh, the lighting with his hair and everything. It's just an angel. Hey. Ooh. Let's go. Hey. Get it? I don't know if you want to know my darkest sides. Kind of weird, bro. Actually, not that weird. Ooh. I want to know y'all darkest sides. What y'all up to? Ah, okay. I saw the thumbnail and it's basically that. 4th album repackaged, Sector 17. Put the comments down below what you guys think of 17's World or New World. It's under like score World, right? So I'm guessing they're New World. Yeah, he gonna drive me. We coming through. We gotta crawl across you, sir, if you don't mind. Guess he don't. And then we get a water show, basically. Literally. Bow, water. The FX, not the post FX, like the, was that post FX? Let me see. When the sparkles came in. Right here. Is that CGI? No. It might be CGI just for their safety, but I don't know, it looks pretty real. I think it's real. Y'all, keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. You can have a dream with her, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. Join the link, check out the Discord, join that. A lot happens over there, so you better join. Just to keep you updated, notified, and just, you know, in the K-pop world itself too. Alright y'all, have a blessed day. Till next time everybody, peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.